We're going to change over very quickly and I'm going to introduce Gloria Schoch. And for those of you who wonder how you pronounce her name, it's S-C-H-O-C-H. And I wasn't quite sure how to pronounce it, but now I know how to pronounce it. It's Schoch. And it's in part because she's doing such a great job for VF Corporation. Many of you will know that VF moved here to Colorado just in the last couple of years, and I've had the great fortune of talking to their executives, Steve Rendell and others several times. And Luis Benitez, who is a VP of Global Affairs for VF Corp, is also one of the great leaders in conservation and sustainability, not only in Colorado, but really around the world. So it's an honor to have Gloria here, who is going to make an announcement for us. I want to say just to introduce her, Gloria is the executive director of the VF Foundation. She's the director of the Global Impact Fund at VF Corp. A global leader, Gloria, in apparel, footwear, accessories, powering movement, sustainable, active lifestyles. Every time I meet with Steve, he and I always talk about the North Face, because when I was Secretary of Interior, Yosemite was one of my favorite places. But some of the other things, they produce Vans, Smart Wool, Timberland, and Dickies. And Gloria gets to oversee the foundation and the vision of the foundation. And so we are very proud of her. I also noticed in your bio, Gloria, that you are walking the talk. You're also the board chair of the Latino Community Foundation of Colorado, which I am familiar with and involved in so many other things, including the University of Colorado School of Public Affairs. So with that, I say two things. We are proud of VF Corp. It's an organization, as an enterprise, that really exemplifies the importance of the outdoor recreational industry, where I think it's maybe 8 million jobs. It's a huge number of jobs that are contributed to the economy here in the United States. And they really get it, that there's this connectedness between health and humans on the one hand, and the health of our planet. And so it is an honor, Gloria, to introduce you to make your announcement.
Well, thank you for the thoughtful introduction, Secretary Salazar. I'm honored to be here on behalf of VF and the VF Foundation. As the Secretary mentioned, we recently moved our new home to downtown Denver, and what brought us to Colorado is truly the power of place. It's steeped in our shared outdoor heritage and values, and for a love of the outdoors and active lifestyles, and is truly embedded in our company's DNA and in our employees' heads and hearts. Nowhere else that we want to be and have as our home. We know big conservation challenges require bold and creative approaches and ways of thinking. And we also know this work cannot be done alone. Salazar Center embodies what we believe in and advances collaborations that drive meaningful change. This year, our focus for the prize, as with the symposium, has shifted to the center's other primary area of focus, the urban environment. And our next incentive prize will spur innovation in the use of natural solutions to support healthy, equitable human communities and environmental justice in the face of climate change. The center is calling this year's Conservation Impact Prize Thriving Cities Challenge. So let me tell you a little bit more about the challenge. It will award a prize of $100,000 to the team with the most promising idea to catalyze innovative action in North American cities on climate resilience and community equity through nature-based solutions. It will reward multidisciplinary teams for action plans to combine and to engage research, policy, and practice for impact at scale. In addition to the $100,000 prize, the center will provide support for capacity building for climate justice work through direct grants and technical assistance for prize finalists. And priority will be given to community-based BIPOC-led efforts, and they hope to encourage more traditional conservation organizations to partner and learn from community-based groups. You can link to the website to sign up for more information. So I just want to, thank Secretary Salazar for your vision and leadership and the opportunity to be with all of you today. I've really enjoyed the conversation. It's truly stretched my perspective and lens, learning more about the innovative work the center is spearheading every day and through the incredible minds that are part of this symposium. I also just want to thank Beth Conover and the entire team for bringing this exciting work to life over the past couple of days.
Thank you very much, Gloria. You are and will be a great partner